Good day, learners. Welcome back to our mathematics class. This is Aliphatic Teaches. Today we are going to be looking at differentiation, the continuation of where we stopped at in our last class. In today's class, we are going to start with the derivative of a sum. But before we dive into this proper, if you are a new member on this channel and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. And do try to share and leave a comment for me. Now, the derivative of a sum. Let's assume we have a function y, u, and a function of v, where y is equals to u of x plus v of x. I want to find the derivative of it. Then dy dx is going to be equals to du dx plus dv dx. That is, the dy dx of this function will be the derivative of individual function. So we derive this u of x and v of x to give us this. Example 1. Find the derivative of each of these following. So the first one, y equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2. These are sum. Dy dx will be the derivative of individual of this. 3 multiplied by 2, we have 6. To x is power 3 minus 1. Don't forget, from our general formula, the power will multiply the coefficients and 1 will be subtracted from the power. Then minus 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10, isn't it? Then x is power 2 minus 1 plus the derivative of a constant equals to 0. So when you differentiate a constant, it's going to be equals to 0. So here we have 6x squared minus 10x. So that is the derivative of this. Question B, y equals to 3x squared plus 1 over x. We have to redefine this. Y equals to 3x squared plus x is power minus 1. So when we differentiate this dy dx, will give us 3 times 2, we have 6x. 2 minus 1, we have 1. Plus minus 1, we multiply the coefficient here, we have minus 1. Then x is power minus 1 minus 1. We are going to subtract 1 from the power. So here we have 6x, plus and minus, we have minus. Then we have x power minus 1 minus 1, we have minus 2. So we have to take this back here. So we have 6x minus. So this power minus will change to 1 over then x squared. So that's the derivative of this. Question C. Y equals to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 divided by x. This can be written as y is equals to x cubed divided by x plus 2x squared divided by x plus 1 over x. X goes here, we have 2x. X cancel 1 here. So y will equals to x squared plus 2x, then plus, change this one, we have x power minus 1. So dy dx here will equals to 2 multiplied by 1, we have 2x. So 2 minus 1, we have 1. Plus this one, 1 times 2, we have 2. Then 1 minus 1 here, let me write it like x power 1 minus 1. Then plus x power minus 1, we multiply this, we're going to have minus, minus 1 times plus positive, we have minus, then x power minus 1 minus 1. That is 2x plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything to power 0 is 1. So this x has become 1. 1 times 2, we have 2. Then minus x power minus 2. Now finally, we now have 2x plus 2 minus 1 over x squared. So that is the dy dx of this function. Question D, y is equals to square root of x plus 1 divided by square root of x minus 3. let's change this one to the foundation. Y equals to square root of x can be written as x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over x power 1 over 2 minus 3. Furthermore, y equals to x power 1 over 2 plus x power 1 over we change to minus, then 1 over 2 minus 3. Now, dy dx we equals to 1 over 2, we multiply 1, we have 1 over 2. X power 1 over 2 minus 1. Then plus x power, so minus 1 over 2, we multiply this. We are going to have minus 1 over 2 x power minus 1 over 2 minus 1. And the derivative of a constant equals to 0. Now here we have 1 over 2 x power 1 over 2 minus 1. We have done that before. It's going to give us minus 1 over 2. Then minus 1 over 2 x power. Now let's do this one now. Minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1. The LCM is 2. 2 goes in 2, we have 1. 1 times minus 1. Minus 1, then minus 1 goes in 2, we have 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. So minus 1 minus 2, we have minus 3 over 2. So this gives minus 3 over 2. Fine. Now, we can write this one this way. 1 over 2 multiplied by x is power minus 1 over 2 for easy doing. So minus 1 over 2 times x power minus 3 over 2. Now let's change. 1 over 2 multiplied by, this minus will change to 1 over x power 1 over 2. Then minus 1 over 2 times, minus change to 1 over x power 3 over 2. So we now have 1 times 1, we have 1 over 2. Then this 1 over 2 changes to square root of, then flip x, minus 1 times 1, we have 1 over 2 times this, we have 2 square root of x. Now this one has a power of 3. We have 3 here. So which means this 1 over 2 here is one that turns to square root. You will not put this 2 here because in indices, square root means 1 over 2. So this is the dy dx of that question D. The second principle in differentiation is function of a function. That is, we have two functions in which the second function is inside the first function, while both of them they are a function of x. For instance, when we have y to be equals to u of x, why this u itself is equals to h of x. How do we can find the dy dx? By saying dy dx will equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. When you look at this, du will cancel each other, we will be left with dy dx. We are back to the where we are coming from. So this one can take a chain. That is why this function of a function is called the chain rule, because we can have about 3-4 functions interwoven. So how do we do it? Is using this method, dy dx equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. Example 2. Find the derivative of each of the following. I want to find the derivative of this. The first one here, we have y is equals to, open your brackets, 3x squared minus 2 raised to power 3. We say let u equals to anything in the brackets, 3x squared minus 2. Then if this is u now, our y will now equals to u raised to power 3. Now du dx, we differentiate this with respect to x. 3 times 2, we have 6x. So 2 minus 1, we have 1. Then the division of a constant equals to 0. Then dy du will equals to 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3u. Then 3 minus 1, we have 2. Now, to find our dy dx, it equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. That is, my dy du is 3u squared multiplied by du dx 6x. Now introducing our u here, so we have 3 open bracket, my u is 3x squared minus 2 raised to power 2 times 6x. So this 6x multiplied 3, 6x times 3, we have 18 open bracket 3x squared minus 2 raised to power 2. That's our dy dx. If we look at this, this is containing x, 18x. If we look at this, this cannot be multiplied. Before you can use this 18 to open the bracket, you have to first of all open this bracket first. So it's going to take a long period. So instead, we leave our answer this way. B, question. Y is equal to square root of 1 minus 2x cubed. In this case, let's try to take these square roots back to the initial, the beginning. Y equals to 1 minus 2x cubed, that is power 1 over 2. We now say let u equals to 1 minus 2x cubed, then y will equal to u raised power 1 over 2. Du dx will equal to, so the division of a constant equals to 0. 3 multiplied by minus 2, we have minus 6, as 3 minus 1, we have 2. Then dy du will equal to 1 over 2 u raised power 1 over 2 minus 1, we have minus 1 over 2. Let's work this further. So 1 over 2 multiplied by, this minus changes to 1 over, then u raised power 1 over 2. That is 1 times 1, we have 1 over 2 square roots of u. That's our dy dx, our dy du. Then our dy dx will equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. Fine. Our dy du that we got here, we have 1 over 2 square roots of u multiplied by du dx minus 6x squared. Let's say over 1. This multiply the upper parts. We have minus 6x squared divided by 2 square root of our u. We have 1 minus 2s cubed. So 2 goes here, 2 goes here. We are going to be left with 3. Finally, our dy dx will equals to minus 3 divided by square root of 1 minus 2s cubed. So that's our dy, so minus 3s squared here, sorry. So minus 3s squared divided by square root of 1 minus 2s cubed. Question C. Y is equals to 5 divided by 6 minus s squared raised to power 3. Now this can be written as y equals to 5, taking your 5 out, multiplied by 1 over 6 minus s squared raised to power 3. You know, this is like over 1. 5 times 1, 5. Then 1 times this, we have this. Now, y equals to 5 multiplied by, so 1 over will change to minus. So we have 6 minus s squared raised to power, so 1 over changes to minus, then we have 3. So y equals to 5 open brackets 6 minus x squared close brackets power minus 3. As I said, let u equals to anything in the brackets 6 minus s squared. Then my y will now equal to 5, then u raised to power minus 3. Now du dx will give me, so this becomes 0. We now give us 2 times minus 1 minus 2x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then dy dx will equal to minus 3 times 5 minus 15, then u raised to power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So we have minus 15 multiplied by, this minus is to 1 over u raised to power 4. That is minus 15 over u raised to power 4. Now we now get value of our dy. Now we now get the value of our dy dx to be equals to dy d. This is dy du, sorry, dy du multiplied by du dx. Now my dy du is minus 15 over u raised to power 4 multiplied by du dx minus 2x over 1. That is minus 15 divided by my u. The value of u here, we have it to be 6 minus s squared. 6 minus s squared, then raised to power 4. This 4 multiplied by minus 2x over 1. Minus times minus, we have plus. 15 times 2, we have 30x divided by, open bracket, 6 minus x squared raised to power 4. So this is our dy dx of that question C. So let's move on to question D. Question D, y is equal to 1 over square root of 1 plus x squared. So this can be written as y is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared, then raised to power. So this square root changes to 1 over 2. So y is equals to 1 plus s squared. So this 1 over becomes minus, then we have 1 over 2. Now let u equals to anything in the brackets, 1 plus s squared. Then our y will equals to, this will become u raised to power minus 1 over 2. Du dx will equals to, this becomes 0. So we have 2x, that is 2 minus 1, we have 1. Then dy dx will equals to minus 1 times 1, minus 1 over 2 times this 1, minus 1 over 2 u raised to power. So minus 1 over 2 minus 1, we have minus 3 over 2. So we now have minus 1 over 2 multiplied by, this minus changes to 1 over u raised to power 3 over 2. Now, our dy dx, our dy du, because we're working with function of u, dy du equals to minus 1 times 1, minus 1 over, then 2. 3 over 2 changes to square root of u, then we have root power 3. Now, to now get our dy dx is going to be equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. You see, this is very easy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as you find this class interesting. And click the notification bell for my subsequent lesson. And don't forget to share to other learners for them to benefit as well. Now, we can now substitute the value of dy du here to be equals to minus 1 over 2 square roots of u raised to power 3 multiplied by our du dx 2x, let's say over 1. So we have 2x times minus 1 minus 2x divided by 2 square root of, what is the value of my u? Here, my u equals to 1 plus s squared, 1 plus s squared, then raised to power 3. 2 cancel 2, we have minus x over square root of 1 plus s squared raised to power 3. So this is dy dx, and this is how to go about function of function. Now, if you find this class so interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent lessons. Also, do not forget to leave a comment and share to other loved ones for them to benefit. Thank you very much.